Braylon, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Show me your nose. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Where's your nose?
Binding. Binding.
Where's your nose?
What is binding? Yes, that's a word. And bookwords one.
Braylon, my nose right here.
Presenting long distance ones.
She knows where her nose is.
What is dedication?
Where's your nose?
This group's album
What are you doing?
or name on the cover.
No, that's still hers.
No, it's not. It's mine.
Where's your nose?
Led Zeppelin.
Where's your nose?
I get around.
Mine, Mama.
Yeah.
We're the Beach Boys.
Is that your nose?
Sweet Home Alabama was inducted into the
Leonard Skinner.
Fame in 2006.
Say bye.
Now, that's a hot dog. Or